What's up, everybody? Robin Phillips here, and today I am going to be your best friend. I am going to give you the nudge that you need to start your fitness journey. I'm going to tell you all of the gyms that I went to and researched before I chose my gym of choice, Crunch Mount Pleasant. I'm going to tell you why that gym and my personal trainer is making a difference in my life. We're going to take a tour of the gym with my daughter, who's the assistant general manager, so stick around. Okay, so when I started this concept, I knew I needed accountability, right? I needed a gym. We have one downstairs in our house, thanks to COVID. It wasn't working for me. I needed a community of people. So I looked into High Low, Orange Theory, Body 20, F45, of course, Low Country Yoga, which is amazing, and I still have a package with them because you gotta have a little yin in your life to make everything balance out. And then I walked into Crunch Mount Pleasant, and let me tell you, I was blown away. I always thought this gym was just for people who were doing heavy weightlifting, but it is actually so much more. So I'm going to introduce you to my daughter, who is the assistant general manager there. We're going to take you on a tour of the gym, and at the very end, I'm going to show you my body mass index. I'm going to talk to you about how they do a personalized kickoff for you, a little bit about my personal trainer, and I'm hoping that this will inspire you to start now.
Hey, welcome to Crunch. I'm Alex, the Assistant General Manager. Let me show you around. So this is Crunch Mount Pleasant. Crunch as a company we started in 1989, and we're all about no judgments and no limits. So we've got everything you could need here. We've got tanning, a hydro massage bed, as well as red light therapy. Now, if I walk you this way, you can see our large amount of cardio equipment. '73 machines to be exact. Crunch also has a wide variety of classes that change seasonally. So if there's anything that you ever see that you enjoy that may not fit your schedule now, it might fit your schedule later on in the year. We have everything from yoga, dance classes, weightlifting classes, stretching classes, anything that you need to get your fitness journey started. We've got one of our fitness classes going on right now. As you can see, our instructors walking you through each and every step, getting you pumped up for the workout. We are at our 5:30 time, so it is our busiest time of the day, especially the weekdays. However, we are fully stocked when it comes to machines, incline, decline benches, cable stacks that have a row and lat pull down on each side. Any type of functional movement that you need to do, we've got you set up over here in the hit zone. So this is where we have hit zone classes as well as do any type of functional movement. It's also where we house our Olympic weightlifting platforms. We've got everything from yoga balls, slam balls, weighted balls, dumbbells, plates, kettlebells, foam rollers, PVC pipes, tires, Bozu balls, leading into our stretching area, which is a great place to get ready for the beginning of your workout, as well as an ab area. So we've got crunchers. And when it comes to machines, we do have 2 to 3 of everything. So even when it is busy in here, you will be able to find a machine and get the workout in that you need. So to tell you a little bit about my love for Crunch as well as my love for fitness, I want to tell you about how this all started. So when I started working out about 2 years ago, I fell in love with fitness. I started going for a while. You have to make yourself go, make yourself get into it. But once you do it for long enough, you do fall in love with it. And when I was looking for a gym, I was looking for somewhere that I could lift heavy, have a great community, and have a fun time during it. And I found that at Crunch. As well as when I was looking to pursue my career, this is the place that I looked towards because I had already set up such a great community here. I wanted to give back to the community that I had been surrounding myself with for over a year. So come down to Crunch, come say hi to us, come say hi to the people that work out here and work here. We are great people and we'd love to have you.
So one of my favorite parts about Crunch is that when you join, you book a one-on-one appointment for a kickoff. It is a personalized session where they're going to look at your total weight, the percentage of body fat, percentage of muscle mass, so that you can begin decreasing the fat, increasing the muscle mass. And personally, I'm over 50. I need to be lifting weights because it is going to help me with overall bone mass and life longevity. So for me, this is a personal journey towards health, not just about looking great. So as promised, this is my body composition. Now this is the start point, and in a couple of months, I will share with you where I am now so that you can see how all of my hard work has paid off.
So this is the time of year to get outside and get in shape. It is a beautiful 55 degrees today with a high of 62, and oh my gosh, I mean, look at it. It is blistering with sunshine, blue sky everywhere. So you don't have to get into a bikini yet. You don't have to wear the short shorts yet. So get outside, join a gym, take a walk with your friends, do what you need to do, but now is the time to get your fitness journey started. And as always, if there's anything I can do to help you out in real estate, or if you are looking for a no commission split partnership, you know where to find me, and I'll see you on my next video.